When you think of stealing, you also think of getting away with stealing. The two ideas journey go hand in hand with one another. This usually means that people tend to consider stealing smaller scale items like chocolate bar or something that's easily taken with them like a car or a bike. But in this video, I will show the top most biggest things that have ever been stolen and the stories behind them. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative video. So let's begin. Number 5. A tank. An unemployed plumber made news headlines when he stole an M60 tank on May 17, 1995. The man in question stole the tank from the California Army National Guard Armory and went on a rampage, destroying everything in his path. The 23-minute chase by San Diego police, which was not exactly the next installment of speed since the tank could only go 13 mph at top speed, ended tragically as the thief, who had been suffering several setbacks in his life, was shot and killed by police. Number 4. A fully loaded oil tanker. In 2008, Somali pirates stole a fully loaded oil tanker from an oil field in Gawane. The oil tanker contained 5.1 million barrels of oil worth $100 each. This has happened not once, not twice, but 3 times in 18 months, leading many to suspect that the Nigerian Navy grinding the ship are in on the game. One tanker was recovered but painted another color. Number 3. Fighter plane. In 1992, a major from the Israel Air Force stole a WW-2 Mustang fighter plane. After spotting the plane in the reverse airfield where it was waiting to move to the museum, the major spent some time restoring it before he flew it the almost priceless vintage plane to Sweden, where he sold it for $331,000. The plane is still being used by the Sweden companies and was only located when Interpol became involved. Number 2. The Empire State Building. No, the Empire State Building was not actually picked and stolen, but the property was. In December of 2008, the New York Daily News stole the $1.89 billion building by filing fake paperwork with the city transferred the deed to the property. The journalist did it to prove that there was a loophole in the law when it came to the city way of recording transactions. The newspaper returned the building to its rightful owner and the law was tightened up. Number 1. The peak of a mountain. In Austrian India, local from Mahatma village stole the peak of Narbi mountain called Hamta Pahad. The story is little more complicated than that, however, as the unusually flat mountain peak has been chipped away by locals who then sell it to property developers so that they can feed their families. Villagers work 11 hours on day cutting at the rock. 1/3 of the mountain has already disappeared, but with no other industries in sight, the villagers do not seem to be slowing down. The government refused to intervene, falsely claiming that the villager falls under MCC treasury to cover up their ineptitude to provide these locals with other work. The cost of the damage and how much the locals have made of the mountain cannot be estimated.